Home and commercial remedies for skin rashes and itches. Itching, also known as pruritus, can be more than a small annoyance. It can cause a lot of discomfort. Your skin can itch for a variety of reasons. From touching a plant, such as ragweed or poison ivy, to psoriasis, which is a condition that causes scaly, dry skin because of skin cell buildup, as well as itching around the patches of dry skin. Illness, an insect bite, or healing from a burn or cut can also cause you to feel itchy. Whether you are having an allergic reaction, dry skin, itchy skin, poison ivy, or some other undetermined rash, home remedies for allergic skin reactions can help. Soak in an oatmeal bath. Colloidal oatmeal is made from oats that have been ground into a very fine powder. A natural product used in many types of soaps and lotions, it can also be added to a cool bath. Bathing the skin in colloidal oatmeal has also shown good results in providing relief for allergic skin rashes. Oatmeal helps moisturize skin, and it contains inflammation-quelling compounds. Oatmeal baths are a great home remedy for eczema and psoriasis. Add 1 to 2 cups of colloidal oatmeal to slightly warm water and soak for half an hour. Baking soda bath. Baking soda is a great home remedy for itchy skin rashes. Use a cup of baking soda in a cool bath and soak for about half an hour for maximum relief. Calamine lotion. Calamine lotion really does work wonders to naturally treat rashes. The anti-itch medicine causes a soothing cooling feeling as it evaporates from your skin, making it a good remedy for allergic skin rashes. Cool compress. Allergic reactions on the skin usually show up as a red, warm, itchy skin rash. The symptoms usually appear when you come in contact with a substance that the skin mistakes for a threat. Plants, soaps, moisturizers, and even clothing can cause an allergic reaction. You can use a cool compress to ease the pain and itchiness. Sleep with a humidifier. Try a humidifier. These machines add moisture to the air. Dermatologists swear by humidifiers to help the skin look younger while you sleep. Moisturizer. Moisturizers are a great home remedy for dry skin rashes. To make your moisturizer even more soothing for your dry skin, keep your skin covered after you apply it. Antihistamines. Histamines are chemicals in the body that cause allergy symptoms, including itching. An antihistamine is a common treatment for allergic reactions. Topical antihistamines used directly to the affected area can help avoid side effects associated with oral antihistamines. Use hydrocortisone cream. Excessive scratching can lead to a vicious cycle of more itchiness and even infection and scarring. Hydrocortisone cream can really work in a pinch for when the itchiness just won't stop. Antidepressants. Antidepressants might be able to help with itching. Some of these drugs cause a release of serotonin that can relax the receptors in your body that provoke the itchy feeling. This treatment is typically used in more chronic cases of itching. Leaf gels. Try aloe vera gel or cooling menthol for simple itches caused by sunburns or mosquito bites. Menthol, which produces a cooling effect, is made from the peppermint plant. Topical menthol should be used with caution due to the possibility of it being an irritant to the skin if not diluted. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may help with allergic reactions, dry skin, and itchy skin. You can use apple cider vinegar on a rash by applying a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to the problem area. You can also use a cotton compress with apple cider vinegar to allow it to continue to pull the toxins out of the skin. Antiseptic and antifungal, apple cider vinegar can also help with many skin infections. Apple cider vinegar also helps with dry skin. It helps to balance the acid-base level of the skin and can increase moisture. Stop scratching. When you have an itch, scratching is the natural response. But it won't help, in fact, it may tear up the skin and prevent it from healing. It can even cause infection. Always use fragrance-free. Always use fragrance-free lotions, soaps and detergents to minimize irritation. When is itching a serious problem? Get an appointment with your doctor if you're itching consistently for 3 or more days. While itching usually doesn't indicate a serious problem, general itchiness all over can sometimes be a sign of a serious condition, including thyroid, kidney, or liver disease, or even cancer. Contact your doctor immediately if you experience severe itchiness without any bites, wounds, or rash.